Here's a really powerful way to make money in 2023, and it's nothing new either. In fact, it's the same thing that helped me become a millionaire by age 24, and that thing is trading. And today, I'm gonna be talking about the 4 reasons why you should trade in 2023. I'm sure, as you know, there's been a lot of turmoil in the markets this year. Stocks are down around 25% year to date, and we haven't seen inflation like this in multiple decades, and I'm still single.
I don't see what's so funny.
There's a shocker.
All crazy news, I know. Everybody believes the sky is falling, yet this is one of the most lucrative times to trade. Why is that? Well, reason 1 is market volatility. The markets haven't been this volatile in a couple decades, minus the brief COVID volatility, and volatility is a trader's haven. Volatility means how much and how quickly the markets move over a period of time, and with the markets tanking one day and rebounding just as hard the next, it gives a trader more opportunities to make money in the markets. And with the current market conditions going into 2023, these opportunities are only going to get larger. In a volatile market, there are not only going to be more trades that you can take in a day, but also those trades have more potential for bigger profits because of how much the markets move in one direction. And that's why knowing a skill like trading in this environment puts you at an extreme advantage. 2022 has already presented us with a ton of opportunities, and my prediction is that 2023 and 2024 will have even more. Reason 2 is you can make money when the markets go up or down. I like trading the S&P 500 futures, which is the index of the top 500 leading public companies, but you're able to trade it with more leverage since you're trading the futures. And obviously when you can make a lot more money, there is gonna be more risk, but that's where good risk management comes in handy. And even if the markets go down, you can do what's called shorting the markets, which means that you're making money if the markets continue to go lower than at the price you entered at. Because everybody's thinking, oh, the markets are doing so bad this year, you must have also lost a lot of money trading, but trading is very different from investing. In investing, generally speaking, you're buying and holding. So if you're holding in your portfolio throughout the entire year, if not longer, of course you're gonna be down. But in trading, you're in and out of trades for the first 1 to 2 hours of the morning, and after that, you're done for the day. So you don't hold or own any positions overnight. You just make your money, and then you can relax stress-free the rest of the day, knowing that whatever happens in the markets, it doesn't matter to you. Also, if you're new here and this video is helpful for you so far, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and drop a comment. It helps us out a lot. Next reason number 3 is job security. More layoffs are coming as well due to a looming major recession. I'm sure you've already seen the headlines this year, right? Snap is laying off 20% of its workforce, Robinhood 30%, and most major companies now have either announced a hiring slowdown, cut, or just pause. So what are you gonna do if you lose your job? Knowing a skill like trading in which you can earn income without needing an employer and being able to do it from home on your computer is a crucial advantage in this day and age. Even if it's not trading specifically, right? Like, what are you doing right now to invest in a skill that allows you to make money online so that your future isn't in the hands of your employer? I made a video on this topic actually that talks about the 7 habits that made me a millionaire. So if you're interested in it, I'll link it in the channel description below. Reason 4 is flexibility. I can trade from my home in my sweats, my hair is all messed up in the morning, and I literally walk 20 feet from my bed to my office, and then I turn on my computer to trade, and then boom, all I need is Wi-Fi, a laptop, probably an extra monitor just to start. And yes, you're gonna have to learn how to trade with a working strategy, but then you're gonna need to put in the time to practice and work on your risk management. But you would have to spend time anyways to learn another skill that makes you money. So to summarize everything, 1 is market volatility. There's been no better time in the past couple of decades to be a trader due to the amount of opportunities there are to make money each day in the markets. 2, you can make money when the markets go up or down, so don't be worried when you hear all the bad news going on in the markets. 3 is job security. The markets look like they're headed for a deeper recession now, so take control of your income today and don't rely on an employer. 4, flexibility. Working from home is now the norm, and saving a couple hours a day without having to formally dress and sit in traffic is game changer. So that's it for the video. Hopefully it was super helpful for you guys. I'll see you on next week's episode. Peace.